What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing some Gorilla Tag, and guys, I'm so sorry that I haven't been posting for a while. If you saw my Beat Saber video, I said that I would be posting more. So yeah, let's get into it.
I love anime.
GG's. GG's? Fine. I'm gonna go play You can never trust a monkey.
Alright, I'm out of here, boys.
Bye. Oh no.
Gonna head on to the changing room real quick.
Yo! Don't think you can juke me that easily. Show me the Oh my god.
Where did you get that from? Dude, he literally Yeah, good.
I don't want to do that smoke, bro!
I'm not sure if he was
I don't want that to smoke!
Who wants some banana candy?
So many monkeys!
Who wants some banana candy?
Oh,
Huh?
monkey don't look underneath you
Who
now.
wants banana candy?
But there's not a lot of monkeys.
Okay. I'll give you payment. I want candy now. I want banana candy.
Please don't get tagged.
Oh.
I want banana candy.
I beg you.
Okay, he did have
Oh, hi there, boy.
Aw. This game's racist.
You fucking on it.
Oh, Lord. Lordy Lord.
I missed.
Obviously.
Where'd that
I
pin
ate my
monkey?
ball.
What?
Prank him, John.
Bro, I'm just doing my own thing, freestyling.
I missed.
Oh, that kind of sounds wrong.
I'm putting freestyling. No, tag me.
That sounds wrong. Stop saying it.
I missed. Notice how I didn't make the joke?
I know my stick
That's because I am trash at the game. Lava monkey. Lava monkey.
It's trash lava monkey. That monkey?
Get him.
That monkey's trash.
Come here. Come here, boy. I think he's saying that he is. He did a thumbs up. Yeah, he's saying that he's trash.
Yeah, but dude, I was
I'm
just
not gonna
freestyling
lie.
that entire
I
time.
tagged you by accident. I didn't even know what you were. I'm a little bit.
I think he was pointing at me.
No.
But I didn't say it.
No, he did a thumbs up meaning that you did say it.
No, I did
What
it.
the heck is this monkey doing?
That monkey's trash.
Oh, we got
heck
free
no.
kill.
Yo, Narcos.
I was sitting down.
Yo, nobody should be that
People.
down. Speed the game, man. G.
Don't really know how to play that well.
I know. I don't really know play that well either. If I'm just saying myself.
You're trash monkey.
DJ. Yeah.
Yo, que almost dead. It's getting
You're trash.
monkey, 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 monkey. Hello, monkey, 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 monkey.
Yeah, come on. Lava monkey, tag somebody. Prank him, John.
Prank him, John. Prank him,
Hey, hi.
Prank him, John. You just said
Hello.
John.
Hello, Red.
Prank him, John.
Prank him, John. I'm gonna prank
I'm
you.
just straight up just fucking around right now.
Alright, I'm
Just
fine.
jumping through shit.
High five. Jumping on the side of the wall.
Yo, you're not pranking him, John. You already know it.
Oh. You think you can get away from me?
Alright.
Actually do. Actually do.
Oh, you an enemy.
You and got away with it.
Hi, bro.
Yeah.
Hi,
Thank you.
LMAO.
No. Let me get this you. I duped you. You got away with it.
I can see everyone.
Oh.
Pretty
Yeah.
spotting everyone where they were. And if you just
Insane.
then don't know what to say.
Boy.
Oh, that is
They're
a
just
lot
flying
of
around
thing.
and-
Oh, no.
I'm putting this on TikTok.
They'll be on. Go super
No one
saiyan.
cares if
Do
you're
it.
making a
Go
stupid
super saiyan.
TikTok video. I'll send on myself.
Oh, you can do that.
I will bring you.
Your skill level is increasing rapidly.
I'm a ghost chase.
Hi, I'm Goku, and my name's
Chasing
Break
someone.
those.
Yeah, I'm done.
I would like
Chasing
it very
someone.
much if you let
And I get
me
myself
alone.
a pet monkey every afternoon.
Suck your mom.
Sorry, but psych.
I can't
The
stop.
wrong number.
Oh,
I'm
I
retarded.
see you, Purple. I see you,
I
like,
thought it was
weird
No, I need to eat your
skin
butthole.
color
It'll give me energy.
thing. I see you, Blue. Oh, got you, Purple.
Ow.
No, Mother Dash. No, I'm not.
Hey, not Hey, monkey. Monkey.
When
Oh,
we did
surrounded.
that-
I see you climbing the wall.
No, you don't. You blind.
I see you. Oh, you fell down. I see you.
I did not fall down. Get correct, man.
Get him.
Yes. Do you want some banana candy?
Oh,
I love this wall.
I see you, Blue.
Oh, fine.
Oh, I see you, Pink.
Oh, Lordy Lord. Praise the Lord. I'm about to get tagged.
You say thank the Lord. I'm fixing about to get tagged.
Praise the Lord. I'm gonna get tagged. I'm gonna get tagged. My hand got stuck for a moment and I'm gonna get tagged.
Thank you, Pink, already.
I'm gonna get tagged.
Thank you,
Oh,
Pink, already.
pretty sure this tag lag. I don't remember him being
You know,
like that.
20? I just
Anyway, oh my lordy lord. How you feel good to look around you? Yeah.
Left and right.
I'm not like
Damn,
other
that was-
monkeys.
Fuck that move.
I'm a single
Do
lady.
that.
Hey, monkey.
Fuck that up.
He's like, behind me. He's like, behind me.
Hi, Blue. Hi, Blue. Can't keep on climbing
Oh.
forever.
Yes, I can.
Can't climb forever.
I mean, I actually can.
I can't climb forever.
Got him.
There goes the monkey with the chicken. Give me that chicken. I missed.
Oh, fuck.
Bye. Have a great time.
How you monkeys doing today on this fine afternoon?
Oh,
Oh, shit.
Let's go to monkey. Come in. Give me that chi-icon.
Alligator acquired. Yes.
Where did you go?
Why are you wearing
No.
the eye patch? It's not even useless.
no.
Where did that young pingle lady go?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I'm friend monkey.
No, no, no.
Bam.
Hello.
God damn.
You're not good.
Yeah, you're not good. Ooh. Oh.
How did he get
Ouch.
touch me?
We messed up. We gotta go bowl, fam.
Yeah, I know.
You jumped over me. How does that even work?
Bro, keep messing up.
Just a little bit safe.
I keep messing up. Oh, I nearly got you red.
Shut up, Kwanzaa.
That's right. Got straight by the Michael Jackson. Oh, no, you don't.
Spotted. Pink has been spotted.
I see you.
They're not coming.
Is everyone after me right now?
No.
Pink has been spotted on top of the tree
I'm gonna want these nuts after you.
on the wall. On a tree.
Beautiful. Come.
Get down there.
Hey,
Somebody come here.
Monkey.
Get down here.
Nobody's chasing you.
Somebody
So
come here
don't
to the
look.
picnic table.
Don't look behind you. Nobody's after you. Like, nobody after you. Like, you would go after Pink.
Oh my god!
Can you repeat me?
Oh, still can't take me.
Yes.
Like, who would actually go
Come
after Pink Monkey? Tell you now.
I need you
not
to repeat my mind.
Daddy Purple?
What?
It's not one of these.
I need you to repeat my mic.
Lordy Lord. You.
Hey, you tired of listen.
It was me. down here.
Listen. You called somebody purple daddy.
Are we gonna play for crates?
I don't know what you're saying.
No!
It was
No! You said fuck! Daddy.
Alright guys, well that's the end of the vid because my head's gonna die, so you guys have a good day. You can get Gorilla Tag if you want. It's on all the it's on all the Oculus, all the headsets except PSVR. So yeah, just you can get it anytime you want. So have a good day guys and see ya.